Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable pop-up and resizable folders on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So let's start with resizable. The folders are by default resizable, and you can easily resize them by holding your finger down on the folder on your home page and tapping Enlarge. And this way you will have the easier access to all the apps stored in this folder. And in terms of pop-ups and further customization, including customizable size of the folder, we're gonna need to reach out to the GoodLock application available on Samsung Store. So let's start by opening the store and searching for GoodLock. Okay, let's open the search field. Find the GoodLock. It's the official Samsung utility. Let's install it, then open. And then here we're gonna have to install the specific module, which is called HomeUp. Let's search for it, and once you find it, tap install next to it and wait until this module is installed on your smartphone. Once it is, swipe up and open this application. Okay, now let's enable the HomeUp, and let's go to the home screen settings. And here within the home screen settings, we can not only find many different customization settings for our home screen, but we can also adjust the folders with folder covers, screen grid, and folder icon grid. And we can also find these two cool utilities that we've been looking for, which are called PopUp Folder and Enlarge Folder. They can also be customized separately in the respective menus. So in PopUp Folder, we can select the size of our PopUp folder with the quick preview on the right side. We can enable or disable the variable size depending on the number of items within the folder. We can also enable or disable some additional settings, and in large folder settings we can do pretty much the same thing. We can also adjust the grid for the large folder. And now let's try to customize our existing folders. So as you can see, we can already see more items within this folder. We basically can see all the items right now, and now we can tap on it to open the pop-up folder to easily access the items within it without opening it on a full screen. And so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.